春天、夏天、秋天、冬天。我很喜欢春天。喜欢 means to like. Try to read these questions and answer them by yourselves.
Do you remember the meaning of the word 哪 in the sentence? 你是哪国人? It means which. Here, 你喜欢哪个季节 means which season do you like? So you might be able to figure out the meaning of 季节. 季节 means season. 为什么 means why. It can be put in front of or after the subject. For example, 你为什么喜欢春天的日本？为什么你喜欢春天的日本？ When you answer the question, you can start the sentence with 因为。For example, 因为春天的日本很美。Please complete the sentences.
In most of China, there are 4 seasons, but there are some cities that are well known for being warm in the whole year. 特别是昆明。In Chinese, we use a phrase to describe the climate in Kunming, that is, 四季如春。
You are the cherry on top, the apple of my eye. You have me at hello, and I'll never say goodbye. You're a diamond in the rough, a needle in the hay.